What's up guys, I'm Queenie from Hokolite. Today I've got a very awesome clamp work light to share with you guys. As you can see, it is a clamp, so it can clip to that kind of surface, and it has 130 degrees up and down, and for another direction that's at 360 degrees rotation. So it is very neat and versatile. And let's check the lighting modes. The left is the COB mode and the right is sport mode. For the COB mode, it has 5 options, and for the sport mode, it provides 2 kinds of spotlight. And for the maximum mode, it is 1000 lumens and it can run for 3 hours. And if we use the COB medium, which is a little less bright, it can run for 7 hours. I like to say it's very multifunctional for different working situations. For example, I'm working on my vehicle and doing some kind of car repairs. You can get it to work, fit into some really tight bolts, clip it down here or magnetic it, whatever your choice is, and you can really see well what's going on here. And you can also clip it on your machine. For example, my original light on the snowblower went out. I can simply clip on the clamp work light to replace it, and it works very well. So if you are looking for an awesome clamp work light, don't miss out it. We could do retail or bulk order. If you need, check our link in bio and hit me up. And don't forget to follow Hokolite. We do real gear for real men.